I think we're gonna need to scoop them. Okay, well, ducks had their first man overboard.
We had 2 ducks overboard. Hopefully the other ones are still
Oh,
here.
look it! They are.
The other 2 are in the cage.
Yeah. Raj! Watch out they don't get sucked in the prop. There's Raj. Come on, Raj. Raj, there's... Raj, this way. It's him. Are you gonna stick there? Him. Do you have a net? I can grab him with...
No. No problem. Let me stand right here. I mean, it might be scary to be in the road. That's good, Sir Roger.
Yeah. Are you just letting them go?
No.
They just like, you didn't see them falling out?
I saw them.
Well, the wave would just like...
That was a big wave.
Yeah. They're big waves. I got seasick. Your crew member literally never gets seasick, is seasick. I think we're gonna need to scoop them.
Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Pick them up. Can you pick them up?
Hey. Alright, whoa!
Ducker, 2 ducks overboard.
Are you kidding me? We have no man overboard, and
There you go.
this duck... Okay, they're talking about... Just let them breathe. Man, this turned into an eventful trip.
Right now it already is. Yeah, we replaced the radio, but it's still dropping RPMs. It almost died coming out of Kaumalapau Harbor. Ducks are doing good. In 2 days. and get the line down the mast. So we're just gonna not overstay our welcome there. So we're just gonna go cruise for a couple of days, somewhere else in Anchor tonight.
Oh.
No! No! Oh, wait, they just spread the towel out. Just spread the towel out before they get there. Real good, under those bags. Thank you. Is that where they're going?
No, I don't know where they're going.
Here, you gotta come back this way. Okay. Oh, yeah, perfect. They'll go up there, watch. I think if you walk this way.
They just...
Oh.
Did it poop?
Yeah.
Which one?
One of the white ones. The Lily Bell.
Yeah. Ew. Yeah, why does it look like that?
They're getting pretty big. It's kind of windy and there's a swell down. Not major, but it's something to think about because we got all our anchor line out. Another big knot. My earlobes start flopping at 40. And then it's calm. And this is when Donald was paddling back.
30.1!
30.1.
The weather today said 10 to 20 knots, and it's 30 knots at anchor!
Yeah, we normally, we sail in this. Yeah.
I thought we lost one. He's right there, but I don't think he wants to be. Duck rescue number
3.
He's like, you could tell he's hurt. Maybe we should bring him inside a little bit.
He's hurt. He's just scared.
What's up, guys? It's a little bit windy today, so... Oh no! 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 Oh, jeez, Lord! Oh.
He got blown off.
Yeah, and luckily he grabbed onto that thing, because if not... And he has an injured leg, because he's all...
So.
He looks too...
hurt bad.
He's really timid right now. He's normally not that timid.
No, look at him.
Donald, show me your wings.
He's okay.
If you sprinkle water on him, I'll show you his wings. Raj is like dancing in the rain. Look at Raj. Donald's limping a little bit, so I think his whole foot is pink. Oh, he keeps going down there. He's like, I've had it.
They're starting to get pretty big.
Are they?
Yeah.
How big do they get, Tim? How big's their wingspan?
7.5 pounds.
How big's their wingspan fully grown? What did my mom say?
6 feet. So that means they'll be able to fly to whatever island we're at. I think they wanted to go for a swim. Cause look at Raj. Raj is just like, I'm ready.
I can't save them today. I really thought we lost when I was up here and I was like counting. I'm like, uh-oh. What if Raj lays you an egg? Will you eat that egg?
I can't wait.
Do you think Raj is
It's probably gonna be the best egg I ever ate. Pastry chefs search for these eggs all around the world.
Can I use the first egg in one of my pastries?
Yeah. And I think it's gonna be a really big egg because I think Muscovy ducks get pretty big. So I think it's gonna be the size of an ostrich egg.
Do you think that they're gonna be the size of an ostrich egg?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna need to scoop them.